Good morning, party people. Hope you're having a great Tuesday. Just wanted to share with you as I'm starting the day with a smile and a smoothie. So today's smoothie is actually going to be a little bit unique, and I've got one more thing to grab here. It's going to be unique because I'm going to do a bit of a mashup. So as you start popping on, be sure to hit the loves and the likes. Love to hear what you guys are up to for the day. And with this smoothie, the idea is that I'm going to do something that's going to be healthy fats. It's going to give me energy, and it's also going to get in my normal morning round of supplements. So here we go. So I already put in my container. I already have avocado, which is great in terms of healthy fats and great for brain health. And I also have my almonds as well. Hey Missy, how you doing? So with these two, this is going to be part of my fat space for the smoothie. Then I'm going to add to it a banana. I like bananas because, of course, it's high in potassium. Great way to help with, at least for me, with my blood sugars, with just getting things rocking and rolling for the morning. And at this point, I really haven't had that much to eat. So the more I can add healthy foods to the mix, the better. So that's in there. So I'm also going to add in a little bit of Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is something that I normally have in the morning. It is great antioxidant help. I love it because it not only supports my immune system, it's great for my heart, it's great for my eyes, and after having many a friend who have been able to take Ningxia Red, and it has helped tremendously with being able to kick back the big C, kick it to the curb, all about it. So, in it goes. And I use about an ounce of that. And the kids actually drink some of it too, and Brian as well. So I've got all that in the blender. I'm also going to add in a couple of friends. First up is, or not first up, but now third, is Mindwise. Mindwise I really like because it is a brain supporting blend. It also has a full measure of vitamin D. So this was really super helpful during the winter time. So if you or someone you know tends to run vitamin D deficient, this is a great way to have a plant-based, naturally occurring, hey there Heather, a great way to have that as part of your everyday. Plus I found that by combining Ningxia Red, Mindwise, and Longevity, Vitality, brain fog cut. Just awesome stuff. So that is there. I was going to add in some additional protein to this because as much as I have the almonds, I want to have a little bit more protein. So we get baby spinach from Costco. We always make sure to get it organic. And I just plop in a couple handfuls. Haha. Thank you. I always plop in a couple handfuls just to get things rolling. Now for me, I don't mind seeing green. And my kids for the most part don't mind seeing green either. So I just go ahead and pop it in. If you or someone you love, whether it be child or husband or grandparent or parent, is not keen on seeing green, you can use things like raspberries, mixed berries, even cocoa powder to help mask the color so you don't see it. So great little tip there for you. You guys are doing great. If you could keep it down, please, that'd be greater. Thank you. So they're already up and rolling. They've had some cereal, and I know that they'll be keen on getting some of this too. And so even with the Ningxia Red and Mindwise in there, it's still a great combination for them. So I've got all these lovelies in here. I'm going to put in some milk to get it going. And to help with keeping it more smooth, I could add in ice, and that's going to really help to give it a nice kind of thicker body. I already have the avocado in there, so I'm going to just kind of let it sit as is. Exactly. So I'm going to blend this up as is. So if you're not one to like the sound of a blender, go ahead and cover your ears or mute your phone. Here we go. 5, 4, 3. There will probably be a small person running over here in a moment. 2, 1. always listening for whenever I'm making a smoothie is to hear if there are things that are still needing to be cut up. So I'll hear kind of a chunk, chunk, chunk sound, and that tells me go ahead and run it a little bit higher. If I've already run it on high for a little while and I'm still hearing the chunk, chunk, chunk sound, then yeah, I just go ahead and move it right on back. So if I had ice, I would definitely do that. So now I have my beautiful, wonderful smoothie for the morning. I could also add in some protein powder, so you can get Pure Protein Complete if you're all good with dairy. I'm going to be checking out a couple of other protein powders that are dairy free. So I typically use something like Vega or Orgain when I'm using a plant protein powder. And I have a feeling that there may be a protein powder that Young Living's coming out with that's going to be plant-based, which will be awesome! So, for now, I'm going to enjoy this, get myself going for the morning. We've got some different errands to run, and hope you have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.